Hello guys, back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can create a cross shade color flash effect in CapCut. So what you need to do is just first prepare the clips that you want to edit, and then click on the second clip and go to animations and find the cross shake animation. Okay, this one, adjust it for 0.9 seconds. Click on the check icon and then now go to the video effect. Click on the nightclub category and then find the color flash effect. Okay, this one, this colorful effect. Now you can just click on a check icon and please make sure that the effect apply to the entire clips, and this will be the result. Okay guys, so that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, click on a thanks, like, and also comment if you have any questions. Bye.